Okay, just a really quick video to show you how I put a booklet, one of the ways that I put a booklet into my Happy Planner. This is my own design that I created because I like doing art journals, and I wanted to put a little art journal in my Happy Planner, but I didn't want to have the pages divided up by the rings or the discs. So this is what I created. This is my art journal, and it's a booklet, so I can do full page spreads. I don't have anything interrupting in the center of my pages. It's just like a book. So I can open it that way. I can flip it around. I can open it that way, and as you can see, I started painting in one of my orchids here that I have on my table. Let me move this. So I can move it that way. So I can use this either direction. But the thing is, I can do 2 full pages without any rings in the middle. Because I like it that way. And I actually have used special staples that I designed also that allow me to continue to take out and add paper to my book, to my little art booklet, without, causing any issues. But let me pull this out all the way and show you. So it can also just be used on its own. And this is a piece of my art right here. It's a print of my art, it's not an original. So there you go. And when I want it back in there, I go to my art tab. That's another one of my artwork. I go to my art tab and I simply put it back in there. And it's excellent. You do have to reinforce your edges though. And I just use packing tape on both sides, the inside and the outside. And there's different ways you can do that. And I'm coming up with better ideas on how you can do that and actually reuse an adapter for these. Anyway, there you go. How awesome is that, right? In my Happy Planner. Oh, by the way, I painted this too. This is leather. I have leather painting, a leather cover on my Happy Planner. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.